The wheels are coming off. The axle is broken. Large holes in the iron rim. The spokes are
The 4 restored wheels are put back on. The iron axle is filled with grease. Turn the wheel and it runs like butter, no sound.
The entire piece of wood is sanded from 80 grit to 220 grit, and if you run your hand over it, it's a
completely smooth, like butter when you run your hand over it, and all the termite-infested wood was replaced.
Spokes for the broken wooden wheel are made from new shisham wood, taking the measurement of the old spokes, cut with a saw machine, shaped with a hand plane.
एकदम टाइट, कोई सिलवट नहीं, शाही feel. We'll use the screws here, then clamp it to dry.
That should hold the new teak sheet perfectly.
The entire body was hand sanded with 120 grit, then 220 grit, perfectly.
शाही सवारी तैयार हो रही है।
We need to adjust this joint slightly.
Yes, the alignment is off by a few millimeters here.